What's that? The noisy snail? Oh my God! Look at
Your
T
Uncle
for
Jay.
Turbo. Oh my God! What?
Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys today. Now today is going to be a little bit different when it comes down to the content. We're not taking anything apart today on the Accord or Project Mark 7, but it is a car related topic. If you are an automotive enthusiast such as myself and you have kids of your own, or if you have nieces and nephews and you don't know what to get them either for Christmas or for their birthday or for any other event where you have to get them a gift, I totally recommend what I'm about to show you right now, and that's these books from Motorhead Garage Productions. So without further ado, I'm going to show you a little bit about this book specifically and other books as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video right now. This book right here is called T is for Turbo. This is an ABC book. So this is like the whole alphabet, but each letter gives you a specific, you know, like A is for apple, B is for book, C is for cat. But this is a little bit different. These are all words of car parts that make a car work. And it's pretty cool because, like, for someone like even like myself that's a car enthusiast, this was pretty engaging. So I actually wanted to take the time and show you who created the books right here. So like I said, it's written by Michael J. Myers and illustrated by Richard A. Wright. These books are like it's based on a company called Motorhead Garage Productions. They make a series of books, not just this one, but I figured I'd take the time to show you this one really quickly, just skim through some of the book, not spoil it for everybody. But like I said, look at the illustrations in this. Like it takes good time to really get, like, for instance, like this is a Turbo. Like you could see the illustrations on this is pretty cool. Like also, you know, I got these for my nephew and he actually signed the books. So appreciate you, Michael, for doing that. And, you know, pretty much setting this all up for him. Like, you know, like I said, like A is for alternator, B is for brakes. Like this is pretty cool, and the illustrations are really on point. And I mean, I know this is a little far-fetched, but if you don't know anything about cars and want to learn about cars, this is a pretty basic way to start learning. Like K is for keys and L is for lug nuts. Like this is pretty cool. Like I really do enjoy. And each illustration, so for instance, M is for manual transmission, and it gives you the definition of what that actually is. So manual transmission means you shift the gears. So it's pretty cool when you get to see this all together, to see books like this. Now, I just want to give this a little bit of a disclaimer. If you want to go ahead and buy these books for yourself, this is not the only book they make. They make all these other books too, which I'm going to show you right here. All right, so like I said, the T is for Turbo ABC book is not the only book that they have made or have written and illustrated. They have all these other books here, and as you can see, there's a little something for every type of car enthusiast. As someone that likes superchargers or turbochargers or motorcycles or off-roaders or drifters, and even a coloring book as well, you know, for the kid. I think this is really cool. This is something engaging for children, especially if you think they like cars. You know, it's easy, in my opinion, it's kind of easy to get them Hot Wheels and stuff like that. But to get them, to get children engaged in cars in a literature way, in a form of literature and education, I think these are really cool. And these are not bogus books. Like I showed you that one. I'll pull this one out. First of all, we all know what that is, a Supra, right? 2JZ, it's got 2 snails under the hood and stuff like that. Like, you know, like to Zion, hope you like my books. Like, thank you again, Michael, for doing that. You know, a little 2-step action, like it's pretty cool. Like, for the fact that he actually wrote all these books out and got them to the T, this is pretty cool. So I really do enjoy this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, if you do like these books, and if you really do, I do, these things are really cool. I read them to, I actually found out about this company one through Instagram, but the first time I actually encountered one of these books is, if you guys remember Gio from European Auto, he has twins, and they are so cute. They're amazing. But the first book that I read was at his house, and it was this one, and I said, oh my God, I would love to get these for my nephew who was born on Christmas. Like I said, this is Christmas Eve, the day of Christmas Eve. I'm here to visit him and his family in Georgia. And I wanted to give him a Christmas/birthday gift, and I wanted to get him these. So if you do like these type of books and you think that you would be interested in them, please hit up Motorhead Garage Productions, because they have definitely taken some real time here to really get this, to really illustrate. Like, look at this stuff. Absolutely amazing. To really illustrate and capture car culture in a children's book. It's not easy to do. Like, anyone can make a toy and sell it, but to really do illustrations like this, the track day, the drag strip, really, like, it's really cool. Like, all this stuff is pretty dope. Like, just the illustrations. Look at this stuff. And then Sprocket, the Sprocket rocket. Capture the illustration. Look at this. The IS-300 in the background here with this. So like I said, the illustrations here are fantastic. They're great. And I really think that if you are interested in picking up any illustration or literature for your children who are maybe like 3 years old or 5 years old, or heck, my nephew is turning 1 today. So tomorrow, actually. So I even wanted to get these for him, even though I know he can't read yet. He'll be reading very, very soon. So I wanted to make sure that I get him into that car life at a very, very, very early age. So I will put a link for Motorhead Garage. I will put a link for Motorhead Garage Productions in the link below, and in the description below. Let's see. All right, guys, like I said, it's a short video, but, you know, like, I wanted to really get this out because it's stuff like this that really kind of like gets me going with cars. Like, people that take the time out to really illustrate it from another angle. Like I said, it's easy to make a toy with 4 wheels on it. It's easy to, you know, to pick up a toy and engage in that way. But it's different when you can engage in that type of field of automotive just by you could create a book, but the illustrations and the meanings behind the book and the storylines with them as well. Like I said, I could read a story to y'all right now, but first of all, none of y'all are kids watching my channel. So you guys are usually more like adults. So guys, if you do like these books, I'm going to put them in the description down below. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. And you guys always remember, now when you're dealing with car literature for the kids, you guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.